Exploratory Data Analysis EDA by VVSM Karthik. Welcome to Exploratory Data Analysis, or EDA, a crucial step in the data science process that helps us understand and prepare data before applying machine learning models. Introduction to EDA. EDA involves summarizing key characteristics, identifying patterns, detecting outliers, and uncovering relationships between variables. By exploring data effectively, we can gain valuable insights and make informed decisions. Importance of EDA. Why is EDA important? It helps detect errors and missing values, ensures data is ready for modeling, reveals hidden trends, and supports data-driven business decisions. Understanding the dataset. Let's look at a sample dataset. The customer's dataset includes unique customer IDs, names, regions, and SIGN updates. The product's dataset contains product details, such as categories and prices. Finally, the transaction's dataset records purchases, including transaction dates, quantities, and total values. Goal of analysis. Through EDA, we aim to understand customer behavior, identify top-selling products, and analyze revenue trends over time. Data cleaning and preprocessing. Raw datasets often contain missing values, duplicate entries, and inconsistencies. To ensure accuracy, we clean data by handling missing values, removing duplicates, formatting dates, and standardizing text fields. Descriptive statistics. To better understand numerical data, we use descriptive statistics. Measures like mean, median, and mode describe central tendencies, while variance and standard deviation help analyze data dispersion. Additionally, skewness and kurtosis provide insights into data distribution. Data visualization. Visualizations make complex data easier to interpret. We use line charts to track sales trends, bar charts to highlight top-selling products, and pie charts to understand regional revenue distribution. These insights help businesses make quick and informed decisions. Key business insights from EDA. EDA often reveals critical business insights. For example, the top 5 products may contribute 60% of revenue, while 80% of transactions come from repeat customers. We can also identify seasonal trends, such as sales peaking in November and December due to holiday shopping. Conclusion. EDA plays a fundamental role in data science. It ensures clean, structured, and meaningful data, leading to accurate models and smarter business decisions. Moving forward, insights from EDA can optimize pricing, marketing strategies, and customer segmentation. Thank you for watching.